Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through setting up a proxy on your mobile's APN settings. Before we dive in, ensure you've watched my previous video on creating a proxy server for mobile APN. If you haven't, please check that out first for a seamless experience. Step 1. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android device. Look for and tap on Mobile Network or Network and Internet, depending on your device's interface. Step 2. Within the mobile network settings, you'll find an option labeled Access Point Names, or APNs. Tap on this option to enter the APN settings. Step 3. Inside the APN settings, you'll see a list of APNs. These are configurations that allow your device to connect to the internet through your carrier's network. Select the APN that corresponds to your current network, or the one you wish to modify. Step 4. Once you've selected the desired APN, you'll find fields to enter the proxy server's details. Locate the proxy and port fields and input the address and port number of your proxy server provided by your proxy service provider. Step 5. If your proxy server requires authentication, you'll also find fields to enter your username and password. Input these credentials accurately to ensure a successful connection. Step 6. After entering all the necessary details, tap the menu button usually located in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu options, select Save to save your updated APN settings. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully configured a proxy on your mobile's APN settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching.